My name is Phil Fritz. I'm a product manager in IBM Cloud VMware Solutions, and I'm here to talk about our Understanding VMware as a Service multi-tenant hands-on lab. This lab is going to introduce you to a new capability we have in IBM Cloud for VMware as a Service. This is our new multi-tenant capability that allows you to deploy VMware resources at levels below a full host. So this is great for ephemeral workloads, dev test environments, or even small production environments. And the lab will walk you through a very easy way of ordering it through our portal. It'll walk you through how to deploy VMs, also show you an example of using Terraform to deploy a three-tier app. Then finally, it walks you through a very simple backup case. A typical workload operator, VMware administrator, you want to deploy your virtual resources, you don't care about the infrastructure, you let IBM worry that for you, and you want to deploy your VMs to your teams. If you're an existing VMware administrator, right, and you're looking for ways in which to easily onboard your on-premise VMware resources onto IBM Cloud, this is a lab for you. I think this is very exciting. This is a new capability that isn't available in other hyperscaler cloud environments. We're really excited to launch this brand new lab of this really new exciting capability we will offer in IBM Cloud.